Hey guys, I'm putting up a quick video. I'm literally about to walk out my front door. Saw this on Amazon. The Trucy saw that I still use to this day for all my cutting of all my wood at my camps and in my home, which still rocking. I'm still on the original blade from this chainsaw, and I have an extra one that came with it. Is on sale right now on Amazon. Scoop it up, guys, if you're looking for something of this nature. This battery is amazing. The saw is amazing. And like I said, it's for all my wood production right now. So if you're looking for something of this design, this feature, and this small, this is the time to pick it up.